So I was walking my dog, and of course everybody knows that I rescue in this neighborhood. And I now have a can of tuna because I ran out of cat food, because I was told that there's an injured cat inside of this bush at the cemetery. So I have a half an hour to try to get her out before the gates closed. And I'm going to try. I was told she's on block 4. She's over here, supposedly. I don't have a cameraman, but I do have myself. Right, so I'm going to try to get her out. It seems that her feet are hurt. Latula, come on, baby. So I was told that she's dragging her feet. Let me see if I can try to get her out. She's in there. I have to keep looking, but I also don't want to scare the heck out of her. This is where I put my glasses on. Here, baby. See through the bushes. Kitty? In the bushes. In the cemetery. Keep trying. And hopefully find her. I think I'm gonna have to do a little stakeout. I'm gonna leave the tuna here. Hopefully she'll come. And then we'll see what happens. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, but I'm afraid it's gonna be raining again, so. I was told that maybe she's dragging her feet and that she can't really get too far, so I don't know why she's not here, but she might just be really hiding well. Rescue is not always exciting. You don't always get the animal right in that second. You have to sort of, especially with cats, you have to work on them. Although in this cemetery, I had rescued a dog. It took me 3 weeks to trap her because she was feral. And sometimes it takes a minute, especially when they're wild like that. So I will update you.